Yes.
Paper.
Pen and paper. What's this one?
Paper.
What's this one?
Pen.
Pen. How about this?
Paper.
Paper? Nak, are you Australian, nak? Kasi mong R, nak. Paper.
Paper?
Yes.
No, it's paper. Paper, yeah. Yes, paper. Paper.
Paper. Yes, paper. Australian ka, nak? Very slangers ikaw, nak? Paper?
Paper.
Is that pen and paper? Paper pig? Maligayang pagbabalik sa ating channel. Good afternoon, everyone. It's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon and pasensya na, late na namang nakapag-start ng vlog si ate nyo. Kasi alam nyo naman, pag weekdays, medyo nahihirapan ako mag-manage ng time ko. Kasi 'di ba, I work from 8:30 ng umaga to 5 o'clock ng afternoon. And today kasi, medyo late yung pagkadala namin kay Paris sa childcare. So, nag-start ako ng 9 o'clock. Kaya sabi ko sa boss ko na magsa-start ako ng late, pero ika-cover ko mamayang hapon. Pero ngayon, 5 o'clock na nga, pero kailangan ko namang i-pick up ang ating baby girl. So, it means mamayang gabi ko na yun siya makakover yung time ko. Kaya yun guys, medyo hagardo talaga sa atin nyo guys pag weekdays. Kasi tapos kaninang lunch break. So lunch break ko, may lunch break ako ng 45 minutes every day. So it's up to me kung anong oras ko iti-take. But then yung video ko na in-upload ko today, ngayon ko lang yun din siya in-edit. So nung nag-lunch break ako, yung ginawa ko, nag-edit ako. So hindi ako sumama kay Daddy Mike na pumunta ng mag-walking for our lunch break. So nag-edit ako ng mabilisan. Tapos in-upload ko, and yun na yung video natin for today. Tapos pagkatapos kong mag-edit, yun na, work na naman ulit. Tapos natapos akong mag-work, ngayon na, pipick upin na naman natin si Baby Paris. So alam nyo guys, kulang talaga yung oras sa isang araw sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Kaya minsan nahihirapan ako kasi yun bang, alam mong lunch break ko, sana na-break ko yun. Parang kakain ako ng lunch, parang mag-relax ako. Pero ako nag-i-edit ng video. Pero ayaw ko namang tumigil sa pag-vlog kasi alam nyo na guys, I love doing this and na-enjoy ko talagang mag-film, mag-edit. Kung sana nga lang marami akong oras, yun lang talaga yung hinihiling ko. But since I'm working full-time as well, medyo maliit lang talaga yung oras ko na naiiwan para sa yung pag-i-edit and pag-film. Kaya sana maintindihan nyo na minsan hapon na talaga kung mag-start ako ng vlog kasi pag natapos na yung work ko. Pero yun nga guys, kahit nahihirapan ako, ayaw ko talagang tumigil dito. And also, wala naman talagang nagpupush sa akin, no, na mag-upload ako everyday. Pero sarili ko talagang kagustuhan to na mag-upload everyday kasi namimiss ko yung mga comments niyo. I love reading all your comments. Kaya gustong-gusto ko talaga pag nag-upload ako everyday. Kaya, yeah, laban Japan. Laban lang tayo dito. Ang aking darling dito ay nagagalit na siya sa akin guys kasi kanina pa yan siya mga tanghali pa nagtatanong siya kung anong gusto kong lutuin niya for tonight. O diba, iba din si kuya. Sabi ko, anything na lang kasi wala naman akong pili. Tapos sabi niya, no, I want to cook something special for you. So tingnan natin sa fridge kasi sabi niya, tingnan ko daw sa fridge kung ano daw ang piliin ko na lutuin niya. So daddy, anything? I can choose anything?
Well, you can suggest.
Huh? Suggest. Kasi gusto niyang magluto tonight. Guys, gusto niya akong mag-decide. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good.
How are you?
Just eating.
How are you, mate?
Just eating some corn chips.
So, ito daw yung choices natin, guys. Ayan. So, my free-range pork Italian style na, ano ba yun siya? Tapos ito, easy entertaining macaroni and cheese bites. Tapos meron tayong, what's here? Korean beef, minced beef.
Mistake.
Bistek. And we also have porterhouse steaks. And then meron tayong, oh maybe this one, Bob. we can have a mini shoulder roast boneless. So, nakapag-decide na kami kung ano yung lulutuin niya tonight, guys. Kaya, aalis na kami ngayon kasi pipick upin na natin si Paris. And, Daddy, where's our mask? Magmamask na kami ngayon kasi starting today, pag lumabas ka ng bahay, lumabas ka ng sasakyan, dapat nakamask ka. And buti na lang, maraming pinadala yung mama ni Mike na extra mask sa amin. Kung may nagbebenta ng dito malapit sa amin, yung washable na mask ba, bibili ako pero wala man akong nakita. Oy, so ganitong mask lang yung ginagamit namin, yung medical na medical grade na mask. Ayan. So sa lang pag labas sa sasakyan, pagpasok sa sa childcare, ganyan kailangan nakamask. Kasi I think yung yung bayad sa yung fine pag hindi ka nagmask is $200. Isn't it, Daddy?
I'm not too sure what the fine is.
Yeah. No, I think I read it before. Yeah, I think it was like $200, guys. Kaya, mag-mask talaga tayo para hindi tayo ma-finean, guys. Nako! Na lang, yung fine, pangbayad na yun ng kuryente. Anyways, alis na kami, guys, ha? I'll see you again very soon. Is that your goldfish?
It's catfish.
It's Paris's fish.
No, that's fish.
Is that your fish?
That fish.
It's daddy fish. Ayan na yung sign and shout out. Na-addict sa shout out. Sign out. Oh, water bottle. You want water bottle?
The back.
In the bag. You have a nice day? Huh? Where's the car, honey? Wow, what's the color of our car?
Wow.
Black. It's black. Ayan, nasabi ko, guys, oh. Mag-fags ang aking, aking glasses. Pauwi na kami, guys. Nandito ng ating baby girl. Ala, titi agad na. Huh? Have a look, try this jacket, oh. Have a look at this jacket that Mama bought for you, oh. Have a look. Oh. Do you like this?
Yeah.
Beach.
Kiss us, Mommy. Kiss me. I love you, honey.
I love mommy.
I love you, Paris. I love you, Paris.
I love mommy.
Kiss.
Okay.
Nga mong bata, nga buutan naman. Yes.
Okay, space.
Yes. How about we sing? Can you sing for Mama, please? Yay! Good job, Baba. Do you have any other song? How about the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
No. I
No? Humpty Dumpty. Okay, you can sing. Si Daddy Mike pala ay nagluluto na ng dinner. Guys, let's go check him out. Tingnan natin anong naluluto niya. Yung napag-desisyonan pala namin na lutuin niya kanina is yung... What are you cooking, Daddy?
Corn and roast bistec.
Bistec. That's roast beef and corn. Yung corn ay nagkulo-kulo na yan siya dyan. Oh.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know?
Is it hot?
No.
Babe, take the soak off. Say hi sa friends, babe.
Hi, friends.
Here, look at the camera. Hi, friends.
Friends.
Say, I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to brush my teeth because I just had dinner. What did you eat for dinner, honey?
Corn.
What is it?
Corn.
Corn. Well done. What color was the corn?
Yellow.
Yellow.
It's
Good
orange.
job.
It's orange.
It's not orange. It was yellow.
No, it's
Show them your toothpaste. Here's my toothpaste.
It's out.
Where's your toothbrush, man? Come on.
Okay, mommy. Okay.
Yung mama guys, oh. Yung mama guys, parang wala nang may-ari.
It's ice.
It's ice.
What ice?
Purple ice.
No, I like ice.
Huh?
Like ice.
No problem. There you go, boo-boo.
Purple ice.
Purple ice. Purple eyes, purple toothbrush. Brush your teeth so the yellow worm will go.
Okay.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. There you go. Brush your teeth so the yellow worm will go. Good girl.
I'm down.
Up, down, up, down. Good job. Well done. Yeah, you have to brush your teeth because you had some pasta today. You have to brush, clean it. Yeah? What's the color of your teapot? What's the color of your teapot?
Pink.
Pink. How about we sing now? When you see something you like, what's the magic word?
Please.
When you get something you want, what's the magic word?
That you got me.
Parang nga. When you get something you want, what's the magic word? Ano? Say thank you. Gabi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please and thank you, please and thank you. These are the nice words you can say. What are you making now?
You make your fat.
You're making a fat? Huh?
Right, buddy.
Ay, shush. Can you draw a gruffalo?
No, you make your fat. No, make a fat way.
A fat? Na-ready na siya for bed, guys, oh. Ayan. Kabihis na siya. Kasi anong oras na? It is currently 8:06 ng gabi.
You make a fat.
And,
Why
what's
you
that?
make a fat?
Huh?
You make fat.
Fat? Ayan siya, oh, naghahanap talaga siya ng pen ba? Umiiyak siya kaya naghahanap siya ng pen.
Meow.
Gusto niya magsulat-sulat.
You make a mouse.
Oh, Mickey Mouse. Wow. Can you draw a flower for Mama, please?
No, enjoy the coffee.
Draw the gruffalo.
The pen,
Yes.
paper.
Pen and paper. What's this one?
You make paper.
What's this one?
Pen.
Pen. How about this?
Paper.
Paper? Nak, are you Australian na? Kasi mong R, nak. Paper.
Paper?
Yes.
No, it's paper. No, it's paper. Paper.
Paper. Yes, paper. Australian ka, nak? Very slangers ikaw, na? Paper?
Paper.
Is that pen and paper? Paper pig?
Look at me.
What's the color of your pen?
Black.
It's black.
No, it's darker.
Huh?
It's mommy.
It's mommy what? Huh? It's mommy's pen.
It's your pen.
Yeah.
Your pen.
Find your pen. That's your pen. Can you write your name, please? Paris?
No.
Why not? Natigulang naman gugagod. What would you like? What would you
I get the bone.
Show them your shirt. Show them your shirt. It is a what?
A rice.
A bunny.
Hop.
Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Wow. Do you like your bunny shirt, na? Uy. What's the color of your shirt?
Pink.
Pink. Sabi, hi guys.
Hi guys, this is Ryan chart.
Stop.
Hop on your bike. Hop, hop.
Ah, hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Now to say, welcome
Welcome
back
back
to
to
our
our
channel.
our channel.
That's right, our channel.
Our channel.
Okay. Hi guys. Listen to Mama na. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It could be welcome back to our channel. Magdididi na yan siya guys, ah. Are you sleeping now? Night-night, Paris. Unsa?
Mommy.
Lay down, Mama. Mag-lay down si Mama. Where?
Didi.
Where? Asa si Mama lagi mag-lay down? How do you call this one? How do you call that one?
Pie.
Huh?
Pie.
Where's Daddy's bed? Where's Daddy's bed? Ah, that's Daddy's bed. That's your bed. You're in Daddy's bed.
The daddy.
Yeah, that's Daddy's bed, honey.
Now it's my bed.
I don't think so.
It's my bed.
Yeah, your bed is there, the bigger bed.
Now, when that.
Yeah, this is Mommy's and Daddy's bed.
Now, what about this?
Alam nyo guys, yung tatay niya is hindi na dito natutulog sa sa kwarto namin.
Where's mine?
That's mine, yes. Paris, this is Paris' bed kasi pag natutulog si Paris, nakaganyan siya, oh. Naka-horizontal siya pag natutulog siya. Kaya yung daddy niya sa labas natutulog. Wala nang space yung daddy niya dito. Uy! Hala, what's this? Oh!
Paris.
Nak, what's the name of your teacher, Nak?
Mommy, daddy.
Imong teacher ba?
My daddy.
Yeah, I know. We are your teacher too, but your teacher at school.
My daddy.
Sarah?
Hito.
Hito?
Saturday.
Sarah Jane?
Saturday, Michelle.
Sarah Jane? Is she Sarah Jane na?
Saturday, Michelle.
Oh, Sarah Jane is here. Who's the other one? The one with the glasses.
My glasses.
The one with the glasses. Who's that? What's her name?
Penny.
That was Caroline.
Karen, my glasses.
Yeah, Caroline wear glasses. She's like Mama. She can't see without the glasses.
Where's Paris?
Where's Paris?
Where's Paris glasses is gone?
Where's Paris' glasses?
And this is Buzzers.
Yeah. You don't need one yet, honey. Well, I hope you won't need one.
It's Paris.
You be careful with your eyes. You be careful with your eyes so you don't have to wear glasses.
Bucket.
Huh?
I can place bucket ice.
Broken eyes?
A bucket in glasses.
Yeah. Be careful with your eyes so you don't have to wear glasses like Mama. Huh? Kiss si Mama lagi. Kiss si Mama. More? I love you, sweetheart.
And mommy.
I love you, man. Ayan guys, oh, magna 9 o'clock man ang gabi. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Nak, is that your daddy, Nak? Daddy Gruffalo, yeah. Hindi pa natutulog si Paris kasi bukas wala mang childcare. So, okay lang na hindi siya magising ng sobrang maaga. Naglalaro pala si Mike ng ano niya, guys. Yan, oh. Yung PS4 ba na binili ko para sa kanya sa anniversary namin. Ayan, yun yung ginagamit niya ngayon. Tapos yung binili niya na tape, yung NBA. Yan. Ang kanyang anak, tingnan mo, oh. Na she's taking her dad's attention. Well, she wants her dad's attention. Ayan. Tapos yung daddy niya, sobrang, focus sa kanyang laro. Tingnan niyo, oh. Careful, anak. Mahayang anak. Tapos, sa atin nyo, guys, is nasa harapan naman ng computer. Ayan. So, ano na nga yung oras? It's 8:49 na ng gabi. And, di ba sabi ko kanina na late naming nadala si Paris sa childcare and late ako nag-start ng work. Kaya, ika-cover ko yung time ko. Kaya, I'll work for at least half an hour. Tapos, yun na. Yun na, guys. Anyway. Tingnan niyo yung screen ko, guys, oh. Paris yan. And tingnan niyo yung dalawa dun. Ang tingnan niyo silang dalawa, oh. Anyways, guys, mag-work na muna ako, guys. Uy, para maka-ready na for bed. By the way, guys, congratulations pala sa ating lahat. Kasi, today, earlier this afternoon, na-reach na natin yung 11,000 subscribers. So, I'm very, very happy, guys. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na darating ako sa ganitong punto na magiging 11,000 subscribers na yung channel natin. Kaya, I'm very, very happy, guys. And sana, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang ating likuran ay may mga hinay-hay kasi sa loob kami nag-hay-hay ng mga damit. So, welcome sa mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung channel natin. And maraming salamat sa mga existing subscribers natin na hindi ako iniiwan, palaging nagko-comment. So, maraming salamat lang talaga sa inyo. So, I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys, kasi medyo late na rin siya. But, as always, we can't end our vlog without the shout-out. So, we will do a quick shout-out, and the first one goes to Delia Rolago. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking background ay very masaba silang dalawa naglalaro, pero very noisy. Yeah, shout-out to Delia Rolago and the kids. Shout-out to Evelyn Ramirez and her daughter Gladys. Shout-out to Nenya Awa Agosto from Parañaque City. Shout-out to Vivian Bayona, Nori Aliada, Hope Dimfna Hatamusa Adlawan. Shout-out daw to Jojo Adlawan and Adlawan family from Mandawi, Cebu, Philippines. Shout-out to Lina de los Santos, Silvestra Oy. Shout out to Inday Iram's vlog, Rosel Flor, Jose de Leon from Bataan. Shout out to Marichu Solis, Aida Harin, Ria Sicharon, Felina Rodriguez. Shout out to Jasmine Visperas, Mylene Franco. Shout out to Virgo Manarang, Reggie V. Foley, Christian Tabilom, Kosha Basham. Shout out to Chilay Fancherer, Me Estibes. Shout out to Evelyn Ramirez, Korea Cross Blended, Medina Maraon, Wilma Bilarmino, Joanne Ambe, Angeli Astrid Pontillas. Shout out to Lorna Tumarong, Norberta Nuno, Sonia Stewart, Marilyn Drudge. Yes, honey. Paris try. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh. Yeah, Mama will just do shout out ha sa atong mga kuan ha, tita ug tito ha. Shout out to Marilyn Drudge, Rowena Gomera, Leilani Gilin, Lynn Ahmad to the family. Tingnan niyo ang bata natin na naglalaro. Yes, Baba. Wow, well done, sweetheart. P.D. Lumanta, Shane Abastas, Hilaska, Soulmate, Helen Abiertas, Donna Ladera, Honey B, Teresa Huson, Sonia Laison, Grace Rimandaban, J.K., Vivian Bayona, Diane Villarin. Shout out to Jam B, Jovi Pagalan Amugis, Marilo Corpus, Maria Victoria Pangan, Erlyn Riola, Flora Ferrer, and Maribel Patiag. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh, naglalaro siya ng ng daddy niya. Yes, your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
Diko, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
Try it.
Oh, you try it. Okay. Which one? Which one?
Push button, Mommy.
Which button? This one?
This.
Okay. Like that? Sige, tulog na ako, guys.
Press it, too.
And that brings us to the end of this vlog, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
Juke, Mommy.
And if you can't,
Yes, one. Bye. Bye.
say be careful.
The phone. Bye.
Bye. Love you. Mwah. Flying kiss.
Oh, my.